How do you pass data between components in React? This is a favorite interview question, because the wrong answer is naming 10 libraries, and the right answer is knowing when to reach for each one. Let us build the ladder. Start at the bottom, and always start here. Props pass data from a parent down to a child. It is the basic, preferred way: local data, a clear owner, a simple hierarchy. If props can do the job, you are done. Do not climb higher than you need to. Now, how does a child talk back to its parent? You pass a function down as a prop, and the child calls it. The parent owns the state, the child just reports events. This pattern has a name every interviewer wants to hear: lifting state up. Next rung, composition. Instead of passing data, you pass JSX through the children prop. This gives you inversion of control, and it is the cleanest way to kill prop drilling. The parent decides the structure, without threading props through every layer in between. When data is cross-cutting, theme, locale, the current user, feature flags, props get painful. That is what context is for: shared values that do not belong to any single component. Wrap a subtree in a provider, read it anywhere with use context. But be careful, context is not a general-purpose state manager, and treating it like one will hurt. When state must be shared between unrelated components or the logic gets genuinely complex, you reach for an external store: Redux, Zustand, Jotai. You select the slice you need and the component re-renders when it changes. This is an architectural decision, not a default. Do not start here. There are more tools on the shelf. Router and URL state, for filters, pagination, and deep linking. Refs and the imperative API, for focus, scrolling, media control, used sparingly. And browser-level mechanisms like events or local storage, mostly anti-patterns, but real in micro frontends. So how do you actually choose? Ask 5 questions. Who owns the data? How many components use it? Are they related in the tree? Do they need to stay in sync? And is this UI state or business logic? The answers point you straight at the right tool. Here is the interview-ready answer. Data in React is typically passed through props, callbacks, children, context, or external state managers. The recommended approach is to start with props and introduce more complex solutions only when a real need appears. And the mental model to keep. It is a ladder, not a menu. Climb only as high as the problem forces you. That is all for today. If this video helped you understand the ways to pass data between components in React, hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to be able to explain React like this in an interview, check the link below. A new React deep dive drops every week. See you in the next one. Bye bye.